This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need working prerequisites, an API key, endpoint URL, and request library ready in WordPress. First, add your API key to wp-config, PHP, or set an environment variable so it is not in the database. Next, install or enable a plugin that lets you craft HTTP requests, use WP-HTTP, or build a small custom plugin to centralize calls. Once done, create a basic function that reads the key and calls WP remote get or WP remote post to verify connectivity and response format. Now implement authentication and request handling. Decide between bearer token, basic auth, or OAuth 2 and add the authorization header in your request function because the remote API enforces it. Use WP remote get or WP remote post with headers, timeout, and body. Then parse responses with WP remote retrieve body and WP remote retrieve response code. Make sure to sanitize inputs and encode payloads with WP JSON encode. Once you have a working call, wrap it in a short code or REST endpoint so you're finished by adding error handling, caching, and deployment checks. Use the transients API to cache responses and respect rate limits, and implement retries with exponential backoff for transient failures. Log detailed errors to WP debug log or a secure logging service, but show generic messages to users. Before going live, test every endpoint with Postman and enable WP debug and WP debug log to capture issues. If you get auth failures, confirm time sync and token scopes. If you see 4xx or 5xx, inspect headers and payload formatting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.